Hello everyone! For today's video, paano nga ba i-register or i-activate ang ating bagong biling dito SIM card? By the way guys, kung bago ka lang sa channel na to at gusto mo pa ng mga tutorial videos na kagaya nito, hit like and subscribe button. Okay, bago mo i-activate ang iyong bagong biling dito SIM card, ay ang unang-una mong gagawin ay i-insert ang iyong dito SIM card sa card slot ng iyong cellphone. Kasi kailangan mong makatanggap ng OTP and this OTP is sent via SMS to your dito number. Then, kailangan mong i-turn on ang iyong mobile data or Wi-Fi kasi kailangan mo ng internet connection. Okay, so kapag naka-insert na ang iyong bagong dito SIM card at may internet connection ka na, i-open mo ang iyong Google Play Store or App Store at i-search mo or hanapin mo yung dito application. Okay, kapag nahanap mo na ay install the application. Okay, so naka-install na nga at i-open mo na itong dito application. Swipe mo lang to kung gusto mong basahin itong mga information or pwede mo naman i-skip. Then dahil hindi pa registered ang iyong bagong dito SIM card, itap mo lang tong register your dito SIM card. Okay, and how would you like to proceed? Register my dito number if you want to register your new or existing dito SIM. So, ito yung pipiliin natin na register my dito number. Tap mo lang to and tap proceed. Then, lalabas tong important notes. Kung gusto mo tong basahin lahat, scroll mo lang to at sa baba ay yung guidelines. Step 1, add your dito mobile number. Step 2, present your valid ID and selfies. And the last step is to provide your personal information and address. Okay, if you're ready, just tap start registration. Then, pipili ka dito kung ikaw ay Filipino individual, Filipino minor, foreigner with tourist visa, and so on. Okay, so piliin ko tong Filipino living in the Philippines using dito SIM or Filipino individual. Then, ilagay mo dito yung iyong dito mobile number. Kung hindi mo alam ang iyong dito mobile number, check the SIM card settings ng iyong phone or check the welcome SMS or check the original packaging of your SIM card. Okay, kapag nailagay mo na ay itap mo na tong verify. Then, tingnan ang 6-digit authentication code sent to your dito mobile number. I-copy mo tong authentication code at ilagay mo dito and then tap submit. So, ayan guys, I verified na ang dito mobile number. Then, itap mo na tong proceed. At i-ready mo na ang iyong ID for the next step. Upload the original and true copy of any of the valid ID with photos. Itap mo lang tong arrow down to select type of ID. At ito yung list of valid ID in the Philippines: passport, Philippine National ID, SSS ID, driver's license, NBI clearance, UMID ID, LTO-PF, and PRC. Ito guys na mga IDs ay instant approval. Okay, so piliin ko tong Philippine National ID. Then, upload your ID. Itap mo lang tong upload icon. Pwede ka pumili if attach file or take a photo. Kung may photo ka na ng iyong ID sa iyong phone, itap mo tong attach file. But if wala pa, select take a photo to use your phone to capture your ID. If naka-upload na, ay makikita mo dito yung photo ng iyong ID. And next is to take a selfie. Tap mo lang tong take a selfie to take a photo of yourself. At kapag naka-upload ka na ng iyong ID at nakapag-selfie ka na, itap mo na tong proceed. The last step is profile. Fill up all the following details. May automatic po na pumasok na mga information from your ID. I-check mo ulit if tama lahat and kapag may kulang ay lagyan mo ulit. Kagaya nito ay walang gender and the address and postal code. Pwede mo naman i-edit if may mali. At i-fill out mo yung mga wala pa. At kapag okay na, ay itap mo na tong proceed. Next is paki-double check the following details to finish the registration, yung personal information, and supporting document. Pag may mali ay pwede mo pa naman i-change at i-check mo tong dalawang box for the dito's privacy statement for the dito SIM card and itap mo tong to register. So ayan guys, SIM card registration has been completed. Okay, i-download mo lang to or i-screenshot to get a copy of your registration number. And then tap login to my account. To sign in, ilagay mo dito ang iyong dito mobile number at yung password. Pwede mo tong ilagay na initial password nila kung may natanggap ka at kung wala naman at ayaw mo ilagay, pwede ka mag-create with your own password. Ito po ay 6 digit, then sign in at kapag may lumabas na you have entered an invalid dito number or password, itap mo tong forgot password and tap get SMS code. Then ilagay mo dito yung SMS code na natanggap mo at ilagay mo yung na-create na new password. Ito ay at least 6 digits and confirm your password. Dapat po ay same yung password mo dito. Then itap mo na tong submit. Next is mag-sign in ka na. Ilagay mo yung dito number mo at yung ginawa mong new password. Then itap mo tong sign in. At dito sa data privacy, basahin mo lang ang mga to at pagkatapos ay i-check mo lang tong tatlo and tap proceed. And dito if you want to be part of the dito exclusive list, pwede mong itap tong join our exclusive list. Or if ayaw mo naman, just tap no thanks. So ayan po guys, ay after ka-register ay na-login na natin ang ating dito application and activated na po. Dahil makikita na dito sa data, itap mo lang tong view details, makikita mo ang iyong available data. Free data 2 gig, only 5G data, but it requires 5G compatible handset in 5G covered areas like NCR and so on. High-speed data na 9 gig and 150 minutes calls to other mobile network. Valid for 15 days. Ito po ay libre kasama nitong bagong SIM card. And as you can see, dahil nga sa kagagawa ko lang nitong account, ay wala pa po akong available load balance. Okay, so ganun lang po kadali i-register at i-activate ang bagong biling dito SIM card. Kung natulungan ka nitong video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Okay, thank you for watching.